Hello friend, today I am going to quickly show you how to turn off your LG Smart TV screen while keeping the sound on. First, grab your remote, go to the settings. You can click settings buttons on your remote or click setting icon top of the screen. After that, navigate to the all settings. In all settings, you can find and select support. Under support menu, look for the screen off options. Select it to turn off the screen. Don't worry, your TV sound will keep playing. To turn on screen back on, just press any button on your remote. It is that simple. Let's try to doing this for the video. That's it. Your LG Smart TV screen is off, but you can still enjoy the audio. Remember to subscribe to Nera Everything for more tips. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. I will reply to all. Thanks for watching.